Welcome to the video. My name is Jed Albring, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels affiliate training. So if you want to get trained as an affiliate and you want to promote ClickFunnels, the place to start, and it's absolutely free, guys, is the Affiliate Bootcamp. This is brand new and updated as of June 2019. They just updated it, so you are in the right place at the right time. It's absolutely phenomenal. What they've done here is obviously added brand new training. Russell himself in the first video series, so you get the videos sent out over a few days, goes through his plan. I think it's about 20-30 minutes of him actually whiteboarding his own plan if he were to be an affiliate, how he would promote, what he would do. Just that 20-minute video, guys, is enough to get you rocking and rolling. But you're also going to get other trainings from like Steve Larson. He goes for at least an hour showing you how to create offers as an affiliate, so how you can stand out against other affiliates. You're going to also get interviews and trainings from six-figure and seven-figure ClickFunnels affiliates who will go through their plan, what they would do to get to 100 users. Because when you get to 100 active users, not only are you making well over $4,000 a year, and that's kind of the goal, is how to get to 100 users in 100 days, but ClickFunnels also gives you $500 a month towards a dream car. So they give you $500 a month lease towards a car of your choice. When you get to 200, they give you $1,000 towards a car of your choice. How cool is that? And you're going to get interviews in here from people like Greg Jeffries, Jacob Karras, and also Spencer Meekum, who is $1 million ClickFunnels user or affiliate, and I believe he has something like over 2,000 affiliates underneath him. So if you do the math, that's pretty freaking insane. So if you want to get the best ClickFunnels affiliate training and you want it for free, sign up for the bootcamp, guys. I will put a link below. Sign up, get started, enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It'll take you to this page. You can read through it if you have any questions. But this will give you some more details on it. And obviously there's plenty of buttons here for you to click and sign up. I'll put the link below. Thank you so much. Have a great day.